Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show that how to turn on active status on Facebook. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and then just simply tap at these two lines and come to your menu section. Once you come to your menu section, just simply tap at this gear near the search icon to open up settings and privacy. Just simply tap on it, and then here tap at this search icon, and here you find the option of active status. If you didn't get this option, just simply here type for active, or you can type for status. Here you can see we had this option on the very top. Just simply tap on it, and then if you want to turn it on, just simply toggle on this option like in this way. So that's how you can easily turn on your active status on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below, and I will recommend you to check the latest video and end screen. Thanks guys, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.